Bakit ba kayo diet? Why you want to do diet? It's not good making diet. Can't you see? You know me, I don't do that diet. I eat too much. That's why you see, I'm fatty fat. Hindi ka magkakalaman, Ken, pag diet ka. That's good to hear that, Sir Sonar, that all good soldiers, I salute of them. He is looking good. Who is looking good, Asmar? Breakfast is coffee lang. Oh, so you mean to say breakfast is coffee with pandesal, Ken? You know what is pandesal? Sulis bilbil. So you, oh, Miss Kin Rose. I got this big bilbil, that's why. But it's nice having bilbil, yani. It's a kudson. I am going. Okay, Asmar, take care of yourself, Asmar, and thank you so much for attending my live. But come back. You go later. It's still early, Asmar. You see, Niti now is so much friendly to you, Asmar. Bilbil is nice. It's foam, Ken. Ken and I are cousin, Asmar. Me and Shabas, thank you for the roses. Me and Shabas. Niti Aparante, shout out daw kay sabi ni Madam Niti and kay si Ken kasi mahilig ka makipagbardagulan sa comment ay. Anong patingtong Niti na to? Asmar, can you like our live? Asmar, before you leave our live. Me and Shabas, can you like our live? Thank you so much, me and Shabas. Yes, it's cousin. Yes, it's cushion. Yeah, it's cushion. Bilbil is cushion, Why you need to do diet? Me, I don't believe in diet. I don't have a problem with Niti. Where did you get this from? She is my friend and I love her. Asmar, don't leave me. Hi, sweetie. Di ko alam. Ako'y nagugulumihan. Hi, sweeties daw. Asmar, can you like our live, please? Bakit game over, Asmar? Don't be say game over. Oh, thank you so much, Asmar. You did the like to our live. Thank you so much, Asmar. Yes, Niti is my cousin. And yeah, Ken, Niti is your cousin. And Niti is the best friend of Sir Sonar. Rose, the three roses are symbolic and meaning. What's the meaning of three roses, Ken? Ken. Huwag ka nang diet, Ken. Magpataba ka, mas maganda yung mataba para may may kutsyon. I love you, Sir Sonar. You take care always. Allah bless you. From Niti. I need Niti. Oh, Asmar, you need Niti? Inshallah, Asmar. Ente sabihin Niti? Sabihin Niti, Asmar, inshallah. Ente sabihin yala. Oh! Ay! Naawa si Ken. Naawa si Ken. Thank you so much, Ken, for the $2. Up sa ating $2. Thank you so much, Ken, for that.